BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. So we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Q1000 and the Summit S-670. Quite a difference in price, huh?
Huge difference. The Q1000 is around $229, and the Summit S-670 is pushing $3,000. What are we actually getting for that extra cash?
Well, size is the first thing that jumps out. The Q1000 is super portable, only 189 square inches of cooking space, perfect for tailgating.
Right, whereas the Summit has a whopping 769 square inches. That's a full-on backyard party machine. It even has a warming rack.
Exactly, and the BTU output reflects that. The Q1000 has one burner pushing out 8,500 BTUs.
The Summit? It's got 6 burners cranking out 60,800 BTUs. Plus, it has a side burner, a sear station, a smoker burner, and a rotisserie burner. It's basically an outdoor kitchen.
Okay, that's serious grilling power. But the Q1000 is designed for convenience. It uses those small, disposable propane cylinders.
The Summit needs a full 20-pound tank, or you can even hook it up to natural gas. It's meant to be stationary. It weighs a ton.
True, the Q1000 is only about 27 pounds. The Summit is, well, it comes on a pallet, doesn't it?
Pretty much. So materials-wise, both are Weber quality. The Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates.
The Summit boasts stainless steel grates and flavorizer bars. Easy to clean, I suppose?
Supposedly. It also has grill-out lights and a lighted control panel. A bit fancy, if you ask me.
Yeah, the Q1000 is much simpler with push-button ignition. No batteries required.
The Summit needs 9 batteries for the lights and the tank scale.
So it boils down to this. Are you looking for a grill you can easily take anywhere for small cookouts, or a full-fledged outdoor cooking setup?
Exactly. The Q1000 is compact and affordable. The Summit is a grill master's dream, but it comes with a hefty price tag. It even has 3D interactive assembly instructions.
Good point. It seems like the Summit is the choice for the serious griller. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.